Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the notification flashlight in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option accessibility. Then here you can see the option audio and visual. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option, the scroll down. Yeah, here you can see the option LED flash for alerts. Tap on this one. Turn on this option, LED flash for alerts. If you want to view the LED flashlight when you unlock the device, then you need to turn on this option. If you want to view the LED light when you set to the silent mode, then you need to turn on this option. And otherwise, when you get a call, when you get a text message, when you get the notifications, all this time the notification light will blink. So simply in this way you can enable the notification flashlight in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.